This one is always breaking and this one is always drinking.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning!
Morning.
How's your morning? Oh, sorry. Han, it's full! Guys, all the time that she filled that thing up with water, it's water everywhere because he forgot that he's doing it.
I try and do other things in the process.
Oh, look. He's gonna do it and it's almost full. Oh. Come here, Mr. Roxy. Tignan natin kakain ba to. Where is Misty? Roxy, come. We put turkey here. Look, turkey. Num. We put turkey in there. Eat your din. Oh, we're not giving you anything. No, we're not. Where is Misty? Misty, come. Okay. Misty, stop pushing under the couch. Right here. Come, eat. Tignan niyo to, guys. Nag-i-edit ako dito. Ito din gustong-gusto niya na andito talaga siya, oh. Why you're here? You don't eat your din. So you don't get none. Because you're hard-hit na. Hey, why you here? Why you're here? Why you like to be with mama, huh? Why? You like to be with mama. Why? Why, baby? Why, princess? Not so come, no, why? Even you don't eat your din ba? Still my baby girl. I don't care. You're still my princess. Yes, you are. You're awake, you're listening. I see that. I see that you're listening to mama. Let's see what Dada doing. Let's go. Come, okay, let's go. Let's see what your daddy doing. What Dada doing?
Making sandwiches.
Oh. They're making sandwich, but the sandwich is no bread. You get rid of the bread.
That's the bread. I'm curious. I want to see what that is doing with all this food that I'm not getting none.
Oh my God, she's gonna put that bloody thing in there. Oh God. Tommy's favorite food, guys. What's Tommy's favorite food? Sandwich. I don't understand. Can you have to put that turkey, the cracked pepper turkey? Where is the rest of the bread? Oh, you did already too. Oh my God, guys! Look at, guys. This is for sale. This is $8. Honey, looks like it's honey. You know what reminds me? Sandwich thing that you pick your salad.
Subway?
Subway. This is better than Subway.
Well, Subway doesn't give you any food. I mean, like,
yeah, it's all just
basically
vegetables.
it's all lettuce and veg,
Yeah. Oh my God, he made already. I'm looking for the extra bread, but look, he did it. Oh baby, you are such a baby. Look at this.
Roxy staring.
I'm telling you, honey, if we go to the Philippines, you can make this business we stay in Bohol.
Except I don't eat sandwiches in the Philippines.
No, but we stay in Bohol. There's a lot of food. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So, yun, my tummy is busy in the morning. Nag-i-edit ako doon sa office. Tommy's office, guys. And also, galing ako sa labas, nagtubig. I'm watering the plant. And also, yung Hubs, behave yourself, huh? And I'm going to the front to water also the plant. And today, I'm going to cut the grass sa backyard kasi last week, nag-cut ako ng grass today, the same day today from last week. So the grass is growing longer compare sa harapan ng bahay kasi inuna ko tong sa likuran. London Bridge is falling down, falling down. Oh, guys, look at this, guys. It's full of crap already. Look, it's full. This is Tammy's sandwich. Sandwich. Tammy is so tall, it's hard to fit him in the camera. It's hard to fit him in the camera. Hindi na lang, I think, hindi na lang kami aalis kasi tignan nyo tong si Tammy. Mamatay itong damo namin lalo. Mas lalo itong mamatay. Kasi nag-cut na siya. Hindi pa nga tumubo ng mataas. Yun yung dahilan na mamatay itong damo namin. Look. Hi guys! Yes, hindi pa rin ako nakabihis, hindi pa rin ako naliligo kasi magkakat ako ng likuran, sa likuran ng bahay, magkatayo ng grass. Pagkatapos ni Tammy, kasi nagkat siya, may ano pala, kaya naghanap ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, asan si Tammy? Bakit may nagkakat ng grass 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Ang init. Nasa mga almost 90 plus yung degree ngayon. Sumakit ulo ko, 89 pala. Kasi, alam pala niya na may tayo. Thunderstorm alert. Thunderstorm, yeah, mamaya. Mamaya pa man. Iwan ko kung anyari sa kanya. Wala pa man dito. So, wala pang thunderstorm. Mamaya pa yun. Darating. Kung darating. Kasi paminsan talaga itong news. Fake news. Kahit sa weather, fake. So, yun, naghihintay na ako kay Tammy kung kailan siya matapos kasi ako yung mag-ano sa labas. Ito si Tammy mag-cut ng grass, no, kasi nakaka-stress. Ako yung na-stress sa kanya. Maglagay tayo ng kalo. Kasi sobrang init. So, yun guys. Hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog kasi wala naman akong ganap. And then, na-boring na itong vlog ko. Wala na. Hindi na okay yung channel natin kasi boring yung vlog. Gusto ko sanang umalis para magbili ng breaks pero wala pa rin guys. It's almost 5 o'clock na. Nasira na itong camera ko. Nag-cut si Tammy ng grass. Pero yung machine is nagloko. So ngayon, nagloko-loko yung machine. Kailangan pala ng converter. Ano to? Kailangan pala ng converter. Nag-glasses ako kasi meron pa tayo dito kalo. Yung binili kong kalo. Magsuot lang ako ng kalo. Where's my cell phone? Open the garage.
Where's my brush?
No, where's my cell phone? Bagong ligo siya guys kasi dahil pagkatapos niyang nag-cut ng grass. Ay, grabe. Grabe. Yung leeg niya pwede nang tamna ng scallion sa dumi. Saka yung ulo niya, yung mata niya pulang-pula guys. Iwan ko. So, pulang-pula yung mata niya. So, ngayon, naalis kami. Gusto niya magpunta ng Home Depot para bibili ng brakes. Sabi ko, wag na. Kasi, madilim na. Oh. Late na. It's almost 5 o'clock na ng, hapon na ba? Sabi ko, mag-ano na lang tayo kasi yung machine nag-krg. So, need, how do you call that? Stabilizer. And I thought he have a lot of extra and I thought he mixed it already sa mga, did you look in there? Okay. Can I close it?
After it goes down.
When you are cutting, you are so like careless. You might die here because of what you're doing. It's like, he kept driving guys and there's a car so close to him. It's just like he kept going to the street.
Well, the thing wouldn't stop him. There's no brake on it. You just gotta let off the gas and hope it stops.
Yes, Levan.
Yes, honey.
There is brake in there. The machine? What in the thing? That's a brake.
On the left side?
Yeah. There's no brake.
I never use it as a brake. I only use it to start it. I never use it after that.
Every time you cut the grass, it stresses me out.
I got an answer for that. Stay the fuck inside.
I have to look at you.
Stay inside.
Because
look at the dog. Look at the video game. Look at the cat.
look at the cat. Stressing me out.
You tell on the back, you can see. This is ours was here.
Huh?
Ours was this high.
Yeah.
His was this high. And in the back where they cut theirs,
Yeah.
it's like this high. So theirs is a little lower than ours because they just cut it more recently than us. No, they cut theirs.
Yeah, but maybe because he saw you cutting it over there. Maybe that's why.
No, he didn't cut the neighbors either. He cuts the back, the same line that he cuts the end of his trees.
Dito ako sa Big Lots. Andun si Tami sa sa kabila. Sa auto park. Ang iba. Iba man, oy. Okay na to. Ito okay na to. Ito lang ito din sa dining. Okay pa tayo ito sa dining. Ganda to, oh. Magkano kaya to? May mga gusto ako dito, eh. Di mo? Fruit basket, eh. Yung frame, hala. Konti na lang yung frame nila. Konti na lang. Frame. Naghanap din ako ng rug, eh. May maganda silang rug dito, oh. All good things come from gratitude. Maganda to. Magic is something unique. Kung magkasya ba siya. Ay, kasya pala. Maganda to siya, guys, oh. Ito, oh. Gusto ko siya. $12. Tignan nyo to, guys. Gusto ko. Bili tayo. Ay, gaming, oh. Ito din, oh, sa office ni Tami ba? Ito, maganda to. Parang sa ano ko lang yung gaming chair ko ba? No?
Good.
I said no. Good.
Good. Good.
And I said I don't want it.
You put it together and take a bite.
Oh my god. It's not sunny anymore. Open the window. So, nakabili tayo ng mga guys, may rugs doon, han. I like the rugs. We need the rugs in our dining, you know that. Love, you hear me?
I hear you.
And my nose is kind of like, can I just drive through with that thing?
Get close to the car.
Huh? No, I'm not doing that. Hold on, guys. Oh, that woman just spit her food out.
High class.
Huh?
High class.
What is high class means? Han, my eyes is hurt, Han. My eyes hurt.
Yours isn't mine.
Yours is hurt too? From the thing?
Burning up.
Kawawa naman itong asawa ko, eh. Look at that, oh. Kawawa naman talaga. Traffic, guys. Traffic. Guys, nag-follow me aning sakyanan ba? Itong sasakyan. Sabi ko, Arnold, watch a nigger. Let our experience move you. Arnold, watch a nigger. Traffic ngayon dito, guys. So, iwan ko na lang itong road na to. Especially this hour talaga. Mag-traffic talaga, jud ba? Ay, may bahay dito. Tingin-tingin na lang kayo sa mga bahay-bahay, guys. Aha, tingin na lang kayo sa mga bahay-bahay kasi nakasunod tayo dito. Break na naman si Maring. May bahay dito. Malaki yung bahay dito, oh. And then may driveway sila na malaki. And then may ano sila, oh. Yung parang sasan. How do you call that, honey? Something? Solar panel. Malaking bahay yan. Yan. And then maganda yung ano nila. Look. Under na si Maring. Yung husband ko is just enjoying the view and the air. And we're here in the mountainside. And there is a bank over here. There is a bank. And the bank, golf course in the other side. Forget it. We passed it already. It's really trafficking. Okay. So, because we live in the countryside, so all you can see is a country. It's like mountainy area. Because we live in the country. This is what, that countryside that I really want to live is, there's a lot of horses, wide land. You can see the horsey. We see it in the Maryland area, right? Virginia, Maryland, right, love? Countryside, like there's a lot of horsey in the area.
You see it everywhere.
This one is always breaking and this one is always drinking. So, I am home. Ito, nakabili si Tami. Ito guys, doon ilagay natin ito dito. We have to replace this because this is ugly as heck. Like this one here. I don't like this. This is old guys. Binili ko to para sa isang bahay. Hindi man siya ugly pero yun, mas maganda yan siya ganun. Like ba? Arrange natin yan mamaya. I have to wear clothes again, the one yung sinuot ko kanina. You have to research how much you have to put in the thing, okay? Don't overdo it or else you ruin the machine. Mag-cut lang, continue lang ako guys sa labas. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, softly and bright. Clap, clap. Them softly, 1, 2, 3. So, hindi na ako nagluluto, guys. Magluluto pa sana ako ng yung gulay mix, di ba? Kaso, late na. Hindi ko na feel. It's 6:30. Tapos na ako, guys. Nakapag-half-bath na ako at lahat-lahat. Hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. And then, nagmamadali akong nag-cut sa labas. Kasi, nako, dumidilim na sa labas. And, umuulan. So, yun. Yung storm is nag-start na. So, yun. And then, ito takot na. Kasi, thunder na. Takot na, oh. Nagbitay na ang kuan. Nagngangan na. Natakot na. Takot na si baby. Mana, oy. Takot man na. So, kanina, gusto ko sanang guys. Gusto ko sanang bumili ng dito. Kasi may nakita akong sa Biglats na rug. Na, pang indoor. Mga katulad nito na material, pero iba yung design. So, gusto ko maglagay dito ng rug. Kasi kapag every time na namin ito, look. May mga line, hindi man masamang line, hindi man siya nakakat yung floor, pero may mga puting na script ba. So, kaya kailangan kong maglagay ng rug para dyan sa dining yan. Kasi maganda siya kapag may rug, diba? Maganda talaga siya pag may gamit na dito. Kaso wala pang gamit, guys. Uy, wala pa talaga, wala. Guys, is it okay to eat the vanilla, guys? Vanilla ice cream? Well, it's kind of yellow anyway when we got it. But why is it kind of more yellowy? Well, it's not bad because it's in the freezer. So, kumakain na kami. Tapos na kami kumain ng leftover. Yung swordfish yung kinain namin. So, ngayon, I feel like having ice cream. So, itong ice cream na to is vanilla. Hi, guys. So ngayon, guys, yung last giveaway ko, I think it's been 2 weeks na or 1 week na ngayon. So, yung di ba nagpag-giveaway tayo, so may nanalo muna, yung pinakaunang nanalo. Hindi siya nag-response, 2 weeks na. So, dahil hindi siya nag-response, I'm going to give it to the other person, okay? My husband went to the, basement. Hold on, guys, ha? Han, I'm having vanilla. Vanilla ice cream. So, pasensya na. Pasensya na kasi hindi ka, sabi ko, mag-on ka sa Facebook Messenger, mag-message ka doon. Tingin ako ng tingin, wala akong nakitang nag-message doon na siya na yung nanalo. Ay, naglahilis na yung tao ng akong ice cream, guys. Okay guys, nanonood ako ng Big Bang Theory. So, di ba hindi nag-contact yung first winner ng 1,000 pesos natin? So, ngayon, ang replacement noon, pasensya na kung nanood ka. Sorry kung hindi mo nalaman. Pasensya na din. 2 weeks na, I think 2 weeks or 2. Yeah, I think it's been 2 weeks na. Hindi siya nag-response. Ayaw ko naman, naghintay-hintay ako. So, ang replacement doon sa unang 1,000 pesos na giveaway is sina Rowena de Guzman. Rowena de Guzman. And then, yung sa second, meron tayong second winner ng 1,000 pesos is sina So, pasensya na, 1,000 and then 1,000 lang and then another 1,000, 1,000, tatlong 1,000 and then yung pinaka-last is 5,000 na yung pinaka-last. Pero yon, hintayin, hopefully, mag-response kayo, hopefully, mag-message kayo sa Facebook, kasi doon ko talaga kausapin kung sino yung nanalo. So, yung second winner ng 1,000 pesos natin po is si Lisel Arganti. Hello, sis! Thank you guys so much sa panonood. And, baka kayo na yung next na manalo. Mayroon pa tayong tag 1,000 tatlong beses, and then 5,000 sa pinakalas na natin giveaway. So, hinihintay-hintay ko lang siya kasi baka, you know, na late. Pero 2 weeks yung first nating nanalo, hindi pa rin nag-response. So, kaya, thank you so much guys. Ang gagawin nyo lang is i-message nyo ako. Screenshot ninyo yung, uneasy lang. Screenshot po ninyo yung YouTube account ninyo. Yung picture ninyo, pangalan. Screenshot ninyo. I-send ninyo sa Facebook Messenger, and then sabihin nyo kayo yung nanalo, and then yun, doon tayo mag-usap sa Facebook. And so yun lang. So good luck sa mga susunod na nating giveaway kasi meron pa tayong 8,000 pesos na ipang giveaway kasi 2,000 na ito, and then meron pa tayong 8,000, di ba? Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess dito na lang muna tayo kasi nahilis na itong ice cream ko. 7:43. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, makapag-send kayo ng message para naman mabigay ko sa inyo yung pira ninyo. Okay? Thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night.